You into me wa main cat waha. Mato metoy. Yeah. One casabe to me at all, then so no why. It is the same. Process and best I'll be a come. 3.5 cups, and I'm dear woman. Any. Okay. Say no. A catasso cover. This is a say oh, this is a sunny I no. So, pesa would be. Osa obi upe peanut butter and crunchy kakra na sa upesa ofele in katana na peanuts in your butter na. You just take some of this and put it aside. After your peanut butter is ready, you just mix it to make it like crunchy peanut butter, right? And I say upe be the decoration on your cake and all dessert beer. That's the time you take it. Yeah, this time you want to say I pay oil, no? Everybody the sound and everything. Okay, let's see. Until next step I do need so I say because now oil no everybody I say what blending no. Say and yet if you how do you call it? You can see. What was the iron? I said abubum bisa I together. Yeah, it's together now. Okay, into this is the next step. I say go through process. Say in one say I change it to different mood. In catch an call different mood. You into say send iron oil no everybody and the blade no so as a blending a hot 19 say no melt it and I say it's getting a very liquidy very soon. Just keep on blending. And I'm in cutting so 9 chine 100 down. And I'm not gonna add any honey, nothing. You can add honey, you can add nuts. Okay, the next process still to this time no it is not be loosen up. Mumbo you yes, I made it cutting in answer. Hey, bedding cutting in maybe na kaketu be. Okay, this is one very melted. Tin here, let's say aperture. Take it easy and let it work. Patience. But thread to wait. So, okay. Oh yeah, butter. Okay. See, Because I blend it. Oh, you don't know so person can share. Oh, now can so person can share. I heard something like that. Okay, no problem. I'll give you some. Maybe. But tasty na me taste. Okay, ete den akakakra me ba. Okay, yankoso. Yeah, into the more na blending and releasing up. Look at that. She. Aye, come on. She. Aye, come on. She. Ooh. So, the apotre, we ain't going to so, Sani aye. Apotre, nyabotar. The baby ain't going to look at that. So creamy. Yay. Okay. So, yeah, then look at our peanut butter. Fresh and tasty. Ooh, smells good. Yummy. Look at that. So we say, then you know what you're eating. There's nothing in it apart from the peanuts and the salt. You can add your sugar as I said it earlier on. Yes. To bet me the secret account. Wait to me the honey account. We sweet na be a woodin. Wait to me the account. But at least no, we name near already. Say be bianca apart from near wo the aye. So let's eat healthy. Let's try. It's not easy. But as they say, you are what you eat. Tinia within eno and ayo. With the other part, ayo papa, with the other bonus one. Then, I know the fatwa so mommy. Ya penny papa. Okay, it smelly good oh. Peanuts near fresh. See? Kofa brodo budget. Veggie. Tienuni, she. Yes, go. Come. See, obey on kwanga, obey soup, peanut soup. Blend on cut across and now they are, but we made the baby bread. Made the baby fruits. A baby to me, I'll come yogurt so. There's a lot of ways to enjoy your peanut butter. On top of your bread, your bananas, your apples, your yogurt, your oatmeal. It's countless. See, beautiful. Thanks for watching. From Glorious Ahobrasie Kitchen. Love you all. Stay blessed as always. Here, I say your bread waha. I had peanut butter ibia fast. Near banana kakra and an apple so kakra and tea. I decorating and kakra. What's that? Kakra. Okay. Yes. The main banana no. Okay. Wolf there first. Who first? You are not. Well, there first goes to you. Yeah, sir. We could do in cut here in a different way. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Comment, share the video, and like it. God bless you. Bye.